Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to breed turtles. It's actually really cool. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do, get seagrass. It's at the bottom of the sea. See this thing right here, seagrass. So it's grass, but it's in the sea. Okay, then you're going to want to see, usually you see two turtles on the land. I actually see them rarely. Okay, they will be attracted by seagrass. Get it out of your hand when you're done. And then it's actually really cool. The baby doesn't just spawn. One of them, which is the girl, we'll figure out which one's the girl in a minute, because then they'll start laying eggs. Who's gonna lay eggs? They took forever, so I'm gonna fast forward. Okay, see you guys in a minute.
It might be this one. I don't know. But we're gonna follow one of them. What's the other one doing? Okay, I see both of them. Which one is it? Oh my goodness, wait. One's going back on land. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna watch you. Oh, a spawn on that mushroom guy. Here. Okay. Oh my god, just do it.
So, there we go, guys. Then she started doing it. See, look, guys, and she just laid one egg. But when she placed it down, then the other ones broke. But this will hatch, and then it will become a baby one. And then see, she's hungry again after she just had a baby. Well, you did a good job. But I'm so sorry. I have to show them what happens if you step on your egg. I'm only going to step once because it could really hurt the egg. If you step on the egg, see, it cracks. And she doesn't even care. But also, if you get enough of turtle eggs, poor turtle, I'm so sorry. If you get enough turtle eggs, they have like a whole thing of them. And you could just have a whole farm of turtles. Oh, I'm sorry. But if you just like, see, it just, oh my, okay. Well, bye guys.